Okay, guys, we are live. Time is 3:33 p.m. Eastern. This is for my Christmas giveaways. Just give me a second here. I forgot to set all this up. Okay, here we go. Here's the list, guys. 2,184 names on the main giveaway. There's actually two giveaways. This one's the main one for everybody who bid and everyone who won. Go 3 times in the clubhouse. Oh. Wait a second. Something didn't go right. Just give me a second here, guys. Okay, that should be better. Oh, what the heck happened here? Okay, there we go. So we go 3 times in the clubhouse, guys. 3:35 p.m. Eastern, first random. Second random. Time 3:35 p.m. Eastern. Third and final random, guys. Let's scroll down to show that it did it 3 times. There we go. And the time 3:35 p.m. Eastern. Top 25 win. There's the 25. Here's the giveaway, guys. Again, 3 times. 3:36 p.m. Eastern. 1, 2, and 3:36. 3 times. See that, guys? Okay. CJ Gibson, you won an Mnum mystery pack. John Christopher, you won the 2019-20 MVP hobby box. Patrick Rubel, you won the 2019 Victory Lane Blaster. Chris Michael, you won the 2020 Absolute Baseball Blaster. Ben Singler, you won the Don Ross Soccer Blaster. Marty Martin, you won the Absolute Football 24-pack retail box. Chris Harper, the Living Legend Pete Rose box. There's supposed to be an autograph in each one, I believe. Chris Michael, the 2019-20 Illusions Basketball 12, that should say card, value pack. Ben Singler, you won the Ernie Shavers autograph boxing glove. It's got a nice inscription on it. Chris Michael, the 2018 USA Baseball Stars and Stripes hobby box. I believe there's 5 autos or memorabilia in that. Tim Cobb, you won the 2020 Bowman Baseball Mega Box. Chris Michael, the 2015-16 AHL hobby box. Chris Galley, the 2019-20 OPG hobby box. Marty Martin, the 2015-16 UD Portfolio Hockey hobby box. Chris Galley, Mnum mystery pack. Carl, you finally got one. 2015 Contenders Baseball Blaster. Ben Singler, 2019-20 Chronicles Basketball Value Pack. Chris Galley, the 2020 Bowman Baseball Value Pack. And Carl, another win, 2018-19 Artifacts Baseball Blaster. John Christopher, the 2017 Complete Basketball Blaster. Ben Singler, package of autos, photos with the LOA from Stacks of Plaques. There's some Hall of Famers from baseball in there. Craig Mackian, you won the 18-19 Artifacts Blaster. Jacob C. Corner, I think you only had 2 bids in there, 2 entries. You won the 2016 Topps WWE, then now Forever Blaster. CJ Gibson, the 17-18 UD Series 1 Blaster. And Ben Singler, you won the 2015 Prism Blaster. So the next one here, guys, is for the 2015 Upper Deck Series 1 Blaster Box. They retail over $100 right now, and there's a shot at getting Connor McDavid, Young Gun, in there. So to win this one, you had to... Oops. Second there, guys. Just want to make sure I didn't mess up my list. No, 384. Okay, so you had to have won an auction to be in this one. So, time 3:39 p.m. Eastern, 3 times again. 1, 2, time 3:40. Third and final random. You've gone 3 times, and the winner is Chris Zenith. You won the 2015-16 Upper Deck Series 1 box. Good luck with that. I hope you hit the McDavid. So the winner... Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Hold on a second here. Okay, so congratulations to all the winners. We're done. Just give me a timestamp here, and I'd like to say a few things before I close off. 3:40 p.m. Eastern. Everything will be shipped sealed to everyone. But I do have some unfortunate news. I've decided to retire from doing these. I've sold off my entire inventory, so I have absolutely nothing left almost. I won't be buying any more lots or anything or doing this anymore. Pass the buck off to maybe Poe. Maybe he'll continue on doing them. I'll do a few auctions here and there, but none of these huge Mnum giveaway events anymore. Things are just getting too expensive to purchase. Maybe in the future we'll see what happens when the pandemic's over, but as for now, I am retired. Again, thanks everybody. I'll start packing everything up. Everything will go out on Monday. That's my pickup assigned time. Canada Post is a little behind already. Anyways, again, thank you guys. I'll do one final timestamp. 3:42, signing off. Hold on a second, guys. Sorry. This new thing is driving me crazy. Where is the... What is happening with the recorder? Sorry, guys. I know it's still going. Why is it not showing back up? Huh. Sorry guys, they changed screen recorder. What is going on here? Huh. Sorry guys, something is not working here and it is not. Where the heck is it? Okay, you know what guys, I'm gonna try and open the recorder again.